In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the quick login feature on Roblox here on your console. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But when you load up Roblox, you are going to see on the startup screen an option to sign in. Go ahead and select sign in, and this is going to bring you to a page that looks like this with a QR code on the right for quick login. Essentially, go ahead and scan that QR code with either your phone's camera, or you can open up that Roblox app on your phone, tap the three dots in the bottom right and choose quick login and scan that QR code. Now, alternatively, if you don't want to scan that QR code because maybe your, camera doesn't work, what you can do is enter in the one-time code from your console screen, and then on your phone, you just have to tap confirm login to approve that connection. And within seconds, Roblox is going to automatically log you in on your console, no password needed. Overall, it really is as simple as that. It's super fast and super easy to do this. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.